Hello and welcome to Pinky Tuskadaro, the calculating orangutan. And look at there, he's doing some calculating. He's cheating because he's using his fingers, but he's still a calculator, isn't he? Hey, first and foremost, make sure you have your notebook out and you're ready to take some good old notes. And here we go. Pinky Tuskadaro, the calculating orangutan, is trying to figure out how much banana he has eaten. Pinky found 2/5 of a banana and he ate 2/5 of it. And then you're going to say, Pinky Tuskadaro ate blank of a banana. All right, well, let's figure this out. Now, this is a multiplication problem because you got 2/5 of, which means times 2/5. So let's start with the algorithm and we'll just write that. And we got 2/5 times 2/5. And with multiplying fractions, super simple. You simply multiply the numerators and you multiply the denominators, my friends. And that's going to give us 2 times 2 is 4 for the numerator, right? And then you've got 5 times 5, which is going to give you 25 for the denominator. And bam, right there is your answer. Let's go ahead and plug it in up here. 4/25. I'm just right. 4/25. And you know what? Let's go ahead and box that because it's fun to do, right? Box that answer. Love it. And bam, there you have it. Now, before we move on, I would like to have you know that it's super important to always do a mathematical model when you're working with fractions. And I've got this set up with a fraction box. I'm going to first create this fraction. And I'm going to create 2/5. I'm going to start by creating 5 parts. 5 parts by drawing 4 lines. So I've got 1, 2, 3, and 4 lines, right? Now I get 2 out of those 5. So I'm going to color in 2 of these. And let's do that right now. And I just take these 2 and color those both in. And I got to center that a little better. There we go. So now I have 1, 2 out of 3, 4, 5, right? And then I need to make 2/5 going up and down, going the other direction. So I'm going to make 5 parts. Once again, that's 4 lines. So 1, 2, 3, and 4 lines should give me 5 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 parts. Sure enough, my friends. All right, so now I get 2 out of those 5, right? So now I'm going to circle 2 of the 5. I'm going to circle these 2 right here. Bam. And these are blank. They're not there. So I get just the yellow parts that's in the circle, right? So I actually get 1, 2, 3, and 4 out of the entire fraction box. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is 25. So I get 4/25. And as you see, 4/25 agrees with our algorithm right there. And that is super cool, my friends. Hey, so that is how you solve multiplication of fraction problems. And this is the algorithm. This is the mathematical model. What I'd like you to do right now is back this video up to when I first started doing the algorithm here, and then play a little, pause, and copy. Play a little, pause, and copy. Play a little, pause, and copy until you've done the entire algorithm and the mathematical model side by side with me, my friend, because guess what? You're right. That is the fastest way to learn how to do multiplication of fractions and understand it at a deeper level. Until next time, I hope you have a fantastic day. I'll see you soon.